KICKASSETS. Cha-ching. Here's Lexus. He's going to give us a ride to the beach. He's a good salesman, so he's good at what he does. He's telling me all the details about the area, what you can do.
So what else? I want to know.
There's lots of companies to use when you do your gardening. He's like, this is Ito. Like, there's tons of people that do all these different things. He's telling you can fish from this dock, but it's a protection from the big waves. So it's a drop here. Nice service. Alright. He drove us right to the ocean. Wow.
Look at this house right here.
Look at that tree. Huh? How much? 1億?
1億7500
He said it's for sale, but it's
リフォーム済み
it's $1.7 million.
It looks like it's like a villa, maybe. Is it rent? Because it looks very large. So maybe it's
Yes.
like
No, because you're not allowed to do that here, he said. Remember?
Oh, so it's someone's house.
Yeah, somebody's house. すごいね。お金持ち持ってるってことですね。
今売りに出してる。
売りに出してる。誰？有名な人？
はい。
有名な人？
いや、そうでもない。
そうでもない。高い。すごい。だって全然10倍ぐらいですよね。
もともと企業の保養所、だったんで、だから普通の個人の別荘とは違う。
そうだね。Wow.
Oh my gosh, look at this house.
Here we are. This is the Izu Island view, the chain of islands.
It's beautiful.
Right near your house, you take a walk. You can jump in the ocean if you want. 散歩できるの？この道はどこにも行かない？
釣り。
あ、釣り。You can go fishing down there.
Yeah,
That's cool. Look at that house.
I know, that house is wow. It's beautiful.
すごいね、これも。I guess this must be a high class area because it's near the ocean and stuff like that. 本当に綺麗ですね、いろいろ。Oh, there's a nice house. Whoa. Is it right here or no?
Almost right here.
Here we are. Oh. Is the house here?
No.
Okay. It's inside there?
Oh shoot. Yeah.
Wow. Look at the road, all the trees hanging over it. That's so cool. Okay, I guess we're here. There. Oh, it's that company. Oh, wow. Ah, そうですか？すいません。よろしくお願いします。迷子になってるから難しいです、この辺は。本当に。
ここはね。
そう。
Wow, look at that exterior. It's all painted and redone.
Yeah. Very nice. Oh, wow. This place is beautiful.
Oh yeah, I remember this one. Yeah.
どうぞどうぞ。
すごいですね、これ。
よし。はい、どうぞどうぞ。
すいません。大変ですよ。一気に物件見るの。
いくつか見てきました。
はい、そう。だから迷子になってるんですよ。どの物件どうなってるかわからなくなっちゃってる。
この中は難しい。
そう。
難しい。
そう。だからどこにいるのって聞かれてもわかんないんですよ。住所は言えない。やはったの？
ここで赤沢になる。
あ、これ赤沢。
And this one had onsen, I think. I'm pretty sure it did.
これ温泉ないんですか？
これは温泉入ってる。
入ってる？
ある。
あ、there it is. これ管理会社入ってないんですか？
管理会社は入ってますよ。
あ、入ってます。Yeah, it has water. Wow. That beautiful room. Square tatamis. Oh my goodness. Oh. From outside. Oh yeah. Outside your garden. The birds. This is beautiful. Oh, this journey is getting tough, my friends. That's all I gotta say. Wow.
The outside is beautiful.
Yeah. This is a tough journey. Wow. So kirei. Wow. Reform.
Does he know where the kind of the property line
Hi?
is? Does he know roughly where the property
土地
line is?
の
Like how much of
境
it?
界はどこまでですか大
教
体。
会は
はい。あ、彼女です。はい。
あそこにピンクのリボンが。
あっちまで Pink no, can you see the pink ribbon in the back there? あっちまで土地ですか
あそこから、
はいはいはい。
大きい木まで
電柱のこっち。
電池のこっち from the power.
で、まっすぐ。
Oh, this place has a lot of land.
But up to, because there's a house right there, so up
で、
to
こっちはあの辺の
And that's the
ライン
corner?
ラインで、こっちも
はい
同じようにリボンがある。
And there's a ribbon over there as well, which we'll see when we go outside. But I want to explore the house first.
Inside.
Yeah. Oh, boy. It's really nice. Nice image. Okay, let me check the kitchen here. Oh, kitchen's a little bit skinny, but brand new. Oh, it's got IH too. Cool.
I think the kitchen is older. They just left it, and they like remodeled around it.
This kitchen here?
Like it's not.
これ新品ですよ。
新品です。
This is all new. Yeah, this is IH, induction heating. It's different than gas. So IH, it's more expensive. Oh, it even has where when you close it, it slows it down for you. Anyway, no brown water. Oh. This part looks older. This window, oh, I actually forgot to check the power in each of the houses. Whoopsies. 60 amps. No, it's a 50. Sorry, 50 amps. That's pretty good. Yeah, this kitchen itself is all new, but the room here seems like this is the only old part from the old house left. But everything else has been renovated. This is all brand new. I mean, this is like right away by seeing this, you know it's new.
I see.
IH is more expensive than normal gas. Most houses have gas, so.
I always I didn't open the drawer, so okay, so this looks new, but then like they left this, and this is like part of the old kitchen.
Yeah, maybe the old kitchen's right here. All right, let's check. Toilet. Oh, nice, lots of space here. Oh, it almost looks like you're in a Cento.
Yeah.
Shit, might have a number one here. Oh my goodness, the windows are old, but suppose you could always replace them, I guess. But because of the windows, it does look like an old style Cento. But this is at least very clean.
It's clean.
It's very clean. It's very spacious too. You could technically tear down the walls and expand it to an outside one. Or you got the windows open. Or you can make them like where you can open it and make it look like it's an outdoor one. Make it all one giant window instead of the levels.
Yeah.
Because the two idea, I don't know why they did that. Maybe it's just easy to put up and down. Yeah, I guess you could justify everything.
Then, it'd be hard if you just blasted this open because there's no other shower in the house.
Yeah. Well, that's what I'm saying. Put the windows. That way you can make it turn into one. You can turn it back and forth, whatever you want.
Yeah.
That's really cool. So everything's brand new. Okay, じゃあ2階行きます。Interesting staircase here. Oh wow. Interesting. First time I've ever seen wood and that style on those doors. Oh shit. Roof's in great shape. Get a view of all the house. Wow, that's cool. ちょっと良くないかもしれないから。念のために。そう、汚いから。
あ、大丈夫です。大丈夫です。
本当？
お掃除はしてますから大丈夫です。
あ、そうですか。Oh, these are nice soft stairs. Rarely see carpet on stairs. Okay. Okay.
But it can be hooked up.
これ温泉ないけ
It
ど
was like
いや
2 million yen or something.
ないけどこれは入れられる。
はい
こっちは温泉がない。
全然できない。
もできないけど綺麗。
Okay. This is a very beautiful house, but you can't have any onsen in it. This house can be hooked up if you really wanted to.
Let's see this one.
これみたいって言ってるけどね。
Like you'd make it work. You'd
Yeah,
be
you'd
like,
make
you
it
know,
work.
it's a little cottage and you
Yeah.
make it work.
Yeah, it's a cottage. It's pretty damn nice cottage. Wow. The land you get around it too is just amazing.
But yeah, you feel like you're in the little forest.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
Yeah, so this is the bathroom here.
Yeah.
But,
I think this was one of my top ones actually on the list. This one, the other one on the list, because they look beautiful inside, but
it kind of seems like if you did a little bit of like barrier, you could put like a little outdoor onsen.
oh, right here. Yeah, you could do.
Kind of play around with it, but and there's like already all the rocks, like so you just use the rocks that are here.
And move them,
Yeah.
I suppose. It is quite big, the space you got to play with here. Between the ribbons.
And the parking right up to the house is nice.
Mm-hmm.
And all the beautiful
Mm.
patio doors.
Mm.
Shoji. Like wooden shutters.
Yeah, that's new one to me.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice house.